In this video, I'm going to show you how to create FXPrimus account. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, which is fxprimus.com, and then you want to go ahead and click on the register button up top right, and then here you want to go ahead and click client. Now, to actually create your account, you'll then have to click on become a client over here, select your country, first name and last name is what you have to put in next, and then you have to select your phone number, your email, you have to create your password you're going to use to log in, and then here you can select what type of account you want, either individual or corporate, and if you have a referral code, you can also enter it in here, but that is optional. Here you can also check these things which are necessary to be checked, and of course you have to read the client agreement before you do that, and then click on register now, and your account will be registered and you will get access to FXPrimus. Okay, and the dashboard looks like this. You'll get access to it and then you can start using it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.